We've all been there. You're enjoying some quality cuddle time with your furry best friend, when suddenly, a wet, sandpapery kiss lands right on your face. It's your dog showering you with affection, or something. But have you ever stopped to wonder why exactly do dogs lick us? Is it a sign of pure, unconditional love? Or is there something more going on? Brace yourselves, dog lovers, because the truth might not be as heartwarming as you think. This episode dives into the fascinating science behind canine licking, exploring the various reasons why your dog might be giving you a good or not so good slobbery greeting. So grab your hand sanitizer and prepare to learn the real reason dogs lick you, and why it might be a little disgusting. 1. Beyond kisses, unveiling the evolutionary roots of licking. Licking is a deeply ingrained behavior in dogs, with roots dating back to their wild ancestors, wolves. Puppies instinctively lick their mothers' faces to stimulate milk production and regurgitation of food. This behavior carries over into adulthood, becoming a way for them to communicate with other members of their pack. Lick my chops. Licking can also be a sign of submission and appeasement. A subordinate wolf might lick the dominant one to show respect and avoid conflict. This behavior can translate to interactions between you and your dog. 2. Taste of love. Understanding the power of olfaction. Dogs rely heavily on their sense of smell to navigate the world. Licking you allows them to gather information about your mood, health, and even what you've been eating. In a way, it's their unique way of tasting you and getting to know you better. The power of scent. A familiar scent on your skin can be comforting to your dog, and licking can be a way of self-soothing or seeking reassurance. Remember, that post-workout lick might not be a compliment on your gym routine, but rather an attempt to understand your altered state through scent. 3. Attention-seeking, licks that crave treats. Let's face it, sometimes dogs lick simply because it works. If your dog has learned that licking gets them a reaction, positive or negative, they'll likely repeat the behavior. This could be a playful lick that gets them a belly rub or a persistent lick demanding a treat. Unintended reinforcement, even scolding your dog for licking, can be interpreted as attention, reinforcing the behavior. Ignoring unwanted licking and rewarding only the desired behaviors sends a clearer message. 4. Hygiene habits, motherhood and mutual cleaning. Mother dogs lick their puppies to keep them clean and stimulate elimination. This behavior can sometimes extend to interactions with their human companions, especially if your dog has a strong maternal instinct. Pack mentality. Licking can also be a way for dogs to groom each other, strengthening social bonds within the pack. While the thought might not be appealing, it's a sign of social acceptance and affection in the canine world. 5. Medical concerns. Licking as a symptom. While licking can be a normal behavior, excessive licking can sometimes indicate an underlying medical condition. Skin allergies, digestive issues, or even anxiety can manifest as compulsive licking. If your dog's licking behavior seems abnormal, consult your veterinarian. Beyond the slobber, be observant of your dog's overall behavior and the context of their lacking. Excessive licking could be a sign of discomfort and requires veterinary attention. 6. Redirecting the licks. Teaching alternative behaviors. The key to managing unwanted licking is positive reinforcement. When your dog starts licking, redirect their attention to a more desirable behavior, like offering a chew toy or engaging in a quick game of fetch. Reward the right stuff. Praise and reward your dog for engaging in the alternative behavior you've chosen. This teaches them that licking doesn't get them what they want, while offering positive reinforcement for the desired action. 7. Respecting boundaries. Saying no to slobbery kisses. While a quick lick on the hand might be tolerable, some dog owners find excessive licking unpleasant. It's perfectly okay to establish boundaries and communicate your preferences to your dog. Gentle guidance. A firm no or gently pushing your dog's head away sends a clear message that licking is not appreciated. Combine this with positive reinforcement for alternative behaviors to promote communication and respect. 8. Showering love, the clean way. Alternatives to licking. There are plenty of ways to show your dog affection without risking a shower of doggy drool. Ear scratches, belly rubs, and even verbal praise can go a long way in expressing your love. Snuggle time. Engaging in calmer forms of physical affection, like cuddling on the couch, reinforces your bond without the wet kisses. Explore different ways to show love and find what works best for both you and your canine companion. 9. Canine kisses, safety first. While some dog owners don't mind the occasional lick, it's important to be aware of potential health risks. Dogs carry bacteria in their mouths that can be harmful to humans, especially young children or people with compromised immune systems. Cleanliness is key. Practice good hygiene and wash your hands thoroughly after any interaction with your dog, especially after a particularly enthusiastic licking session. This helps minimize the risk of transferring bacteria. Death. Lick or treat. Making the call. Ultimately, the decision of whether to allow licking is a personal one. However, understanding the motivations behind the behavior can help you make an informed choice. If you prefer a more hands-off approach, redirecting and rewarding alternative behaviors is a great way to manage unwanted licking. Respectful relationships. Remember, the goal is to build a respectful and loving relationship with your dog. Communicate your preferences clearly, offer them positive alternatives, and most importantly, shower them with love, the clean kind. 11. Desensitization strategies. Addressing licking triggers. Sometimes dogs lick excessively due to specific triggers like anxiety, boredom, or even excitement. Identifying these triggers allows you to implement desensitization strategies. Calming techniques. For anxiety-related licking, provide calming activities like chew toys or puzzle feeders. Expose them to the trigger, e.g. visitors, gradually, offering positive reinforcement for remaining calm and not resorting to licking. 12. Seeking professional help. When licking becomes a problem. If your dog's licking behavior is excessive, persistent, or causing them distress, don't hesitate to seek professional help from a certified animal behaviorist. They can help identify the root cause of the behavior and develop a personalized training plan to address it. Expert guidance. A behaviorist can provide valuable insights into your dog's behavior and create a safe and effective strategy to manage their licking. 3. Beyond licks. Understanding other forms of affection. Remember, licking isn't the only way dogs express affection. Tail wags, happy dances, and even a gentle head nudge are all signs your dog loves you. Learning to read your dog's unique body language helps you understand their emotions and respond accordingly. Tail wags and wiggles. Pay attention to your dog's body language. A wagging tail and happy demeanor indicate excitement and affection, even without the slobber. 14. Strengthening the bond. Quality time and positive reinforcement. The best way to discourage unwanted licking is to provide your dog with plenty of love and attention in other ways. Engage in playtime, take them for walks, and shower them with praise and positive reinforcement for good behavior. Happy dog, happy life. A physically and mentally stimulated dog is less likely to resort to excessive licking. Focus on creating a positive and enriching environment for your furry friend. Kings. The power of patience. Building a lasting relationship. Remember, training takes time and patience. Be consistent with your approach, reward desired behaviors, and avoid getting frustrated. With dedication, you can build a strong, loving bond with your dog, filled with affection, hopefully minus the excessive slobber. Love and respect. Building a respectful and loving relationship is key to a happy life with your dog. Be patient, understanding, and offer them plenty of opportunities to show their love in ways that work for both of you. By understanding why your dog licks you and employing these tips, you can create a stronger bond with your furry friend while minimizing the unwanted slobber. Did you enjoy the content? Please support the channel by clicking the subscribe and share buttons for more fur-ocious content on training, behavior, and keeping your dog happy and healthy.